Hi guys, a very good afternoon. Maswera sei. Hazvina kumira zvakanaka kuZANU PF. A lot of people would believe kuti all is well, but I can tell you kuti hazvina kumira zvakanaka. Let me bring mukomana anonzi Pachiso Life kana kuti Hulu. This is one of the varakashi vainga vachimira naED. Vaisada kunzwa anything about ED, but right now he said something very important. He asked the questions which are very important. He said, does anybody now know when is Gwaishangani Dam going to be completed? What about Kunji Dam, Bed Bridge Harare Highway? Have you seen any Zupco buses anywhere? Where have they gone to? What about the helicopter, ambulances and Air Zimbabwe planes? These are very important questions, Team Zimbabwe. I know that we differ a lot in terms of who to support and who to follow, but these are legitimate questions being asked right here. And Panga achiri kurakasha, it was very difficult for us to ask these questions because he was always defensive, but right now he's seeing it. I can tell you, let me relate. Hulu, his older brother, I believe that he is representing Chiredzi North, if I'm not mistaken. He was a staunch supporter of ED during the period Mukoma wake pawanga achiri in charge. He was made a deputy minister. He was demoted from the position because of my internal fights, my factional fights arimo. He's one of the guys vasingade kutedzera zvinenge zvitaurwa neMudhara asina musoro, because he feel kuti anofanira kunge achichengetedza nzvimbo yake, especially the issues of eviction. Ndopa wakanyanya kupesana because ndo mafights avari kuita, ndo maconflicts avari kuita. Aritaura kuti you cannot evict vanhu vagara vachingokuvhoterai for years. Why can't you regularize them if you feel that they are illegal settlers? And from that moment he was removed from his post as a ZANU-PF MP. The reason why as a deputy minister, the reason why they are not removing him as a ZANU-PF MP, I'm told that they are afraid kuti if he is brave enough, he can win back that constituency or that seat, even if a ZANU-PF person is placed there. Because right now what is happening is that a lot of people have been unsettled, and if an election is to come again, akauya independent, there is a great possibility kuti anowina. And right now aiwa chikwata chaakurakasha zviya mufana wacho akagumbukawo nenyaya idzodzo and akurakasha zviya. So zvikanzi, isn't it obvious mari iri kumba kwababa matwins? Okay, zvikanzi chimama got answers. Zvikanzi panapa mukoma Pachiso hamucharakashi, welcome bro. Zvikanzi panapa Hulu, what happened to you supporting idiots? Surely conscience prevails. Zvikanzi 2040 zvenge zvavapo zvauri kubvunza Hulu. Zvikanzi Nick Mangwana, come here, help explain a few things to a brother here. Anzi mibvunzo yako iyi inokunyimisa mota nachivharo padare akatokumbira iri tractor chaiyo. Okay, so this is what is happening in Zimbabwe. In the nation of Zimbabwe, these questions ukaona dzakubvunzwa nevanhu vanosupporta ZANU-PF zvakuoneka. But to me, it seems as if these are factional fights. There is a lot which is happening. There are a lot of undercurrents within ZANU-PF, and they tried to play down those undercurrents by fighting Nelson Chamisa or by focusing on Advocate Nelson Chamisa, because ED does not want to have 2 points or to focus on two fronts. He wanted to focus only on the internal fights within ZANU-PF after silencing Nelson Chamisa. But the position taken by Nelson Chamisa of saying, I'm now leaving CCC, ED does not know if Chamisa is going to work with the undercurrents within ZANU-PF or not. Please get me right. I said ED does not know if Chamisa is going to work with the undercurrents within ZANU-PF, or he will form another movement and fight as two fronts. That is the opposition on the other hand and the ZANU-PF from within. So that is what is happening in Team Zimbabwe. Our duty is to make sure that we inform you about what is happening, and we try to take a look on the events and answer some questions. Let us continue to rally behind Advocate Nelson Chamisa, support him, and make sure that there is change in the nation of Zimbabwe.